add schedule to your medicine by tapping the Add Schedule and Reminder button. Then, select a number of doses per day. Turn on the switch when you take the medicine as needed. Turn off the switch if you want to schedule your medicine with time and duration. If you want to take your medicine repeatedly, you can choose daily, weekly, monthly, or customize. You can also choose never if you want to take our medicine once. Then select the duration you want, forever, repetition, and until a certain date. On reminder times, you can select 5 different options to easily schedule your medicine. There are quick scheduling, specific time, every X hours, X times daily, and days of the week. And below you can view the summary of the reminder.